Hey you guys, welcome to my channel again. So today I'm showing you these mattress covers that I got from Dollar Tree for my box spring and then my son's mattress. So the trash people will not take, both without me covering them. So I went and bought, some mattress covers like this. So I have two sizes, the full and also the queen. Those are the only two they have there. I don't know if I missed queen or whatever, but I already wrapped one of them. So well, we did, not just me. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you how big they are. So I'm gonna use one queen and one full. That's how I did the other one. I will show you guys that one. So this is the full mattress cover. Here, this one. So it does fit perfectly if you have a full mattress, because that's what that is. I use the queen size for extra to show you guys as well. So it does have all the corners just like you would have on sheets that you buy for your mattress. It does have all the four corners. It has the good side. Well, this is the wrong side and this is the good side. So it is long. Like I said, long enough for a full, So I'm gonna show you how the full looks and how the queen looks, okay? So this is the full and this is the queen. So let me show you. It's the same thing, it's just that the queen is the queen and then it's bigger than the full size. So that's basically it. Other than that, everything else is fine. Okay? So let me show you. Queen size is all down this way. Okay? Here. So I'm going to put on the full size first and then do the queen size so it will over wrap everything else that I didn't get. So let me show you. Okay, you guys, so this is the one that we did so far. We did one queen and one full. So that's how we did it, and everything came out really nice, just like that. So we're about to do the same thing for this, wrap it up, and then yeah. So let me show you first the full and then I'll do the queen. So again, this is the full, you guys. So this is the full right here. So now I'm going to do the queen size. You see what I mean by doing one queen and one full, because it overlaps it and it gives you extra room to do everything else. So So we wrapped it up, and I think we did a great job by doing so. As you can see over there, we have both the box spring and the mattress for, what is it, less than $5. So now they will take it once I have it like this, and it's easy to dispose. So I hope this video helped. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye now.